My name is Dylan, and now I'm going to be talking about the high distinction component of my extended distinction program. As you can see from these two highlighted, these two programs, the functions, the update waves and create custom path, are what I consider to be high distinction. The reason why I chose the update waves to be part of my high distinction is because, as you can see, it handles the wave starting, and then it actually takes a look at the current level number chosen by the user, and then it will determine if it is need to spawn a boss at the end or not. These four factors are actually quite one of the most important parts, as they determine what is the chances for the fast enemy and the tank enemy to spawn. That is actually scaled on the current level and the current wave that is being faced by the player. And then this is the algorithm that actually randomizes what unit will actually be spawned, and it will actually spawn them to allow the game to do its work. I have made this roulette wheel to actually show how whenever the percentages of the tank and fast enemy has been settled, it will every time you randomize, it will essentially spin a roulette wheel to choose an enemy to spawn. And then this delay will actually scale with the respect to the level and the wave number, and as the waves progress, the intervals between enemies get lower and lower, and this is the win conditions. Now for my create custom path, the reason why it is so interesting is because it allows the user to actually determine the kind of path that they want to follow. That this is to allow the user to actually see the path that they are currently on. This will actually calculate the position of the new point based on the mouse click. And then when you reach the last path, you'll actually snap it all the way to the right. Let me demonstrate it now. You can see you can click anywhere and you will automatically connect to the left. Then you can create any type of path that you want. And then it will snap all the way to the right even if you don't reach the right fully. And then as you can see by this fast enemy here, it will actually go all the way to the path and you can actually interact with it. There, it still shoots even though the path is crossing over each other. And unluckily, it seems to have spawned a big boss at this current stage. So this must be a very short game. This can happen because, as you can see, anytime it is wave number 4, there's a 5% chance of the big boss spawning, and it seems to have triggered twice. How peculiar. Alright, that is all I have to do for my HD, and I hope that it is actually qualified enough to be part of a HD. Thank you and have a nice day.